Michael, and I have asthma. Because I work in graphic design, I've decided to share a visual presentation with you today. This winter has taken a toll on my peak flow, so please excuse my weak voice. Also here with me in spirit are members of Primatene Advocates Plus, whose faces you'll see throughout this video. We are an independent group unaffiliated with Armstrong, made up of some of the many people for whom Primatene was a crucial element in taking care of ourselves and our loved ones. Between us, we have many hundreds of man-years experience safely using Primatene to keep asthma manageable and lead fuller lives. We joined thousands in petitioning for the return of Primatene, and today we are pleased to support Armstrong's new formulation. Over the last 20 years, I've seen a number of doctors and specialists for intermittent but stubborn asthma. I've done everything I'm supposed to do, but despite trying nearly every maintenance med, diet, allergy treatment, and trigger avoidance strategy under the sun, nothing clears me up as well as, or keeps me clear as long as, Primatene did, and it did so without side effects. Primatene let me live a more active, healthier life, enjoying activities I wouldn't risk now with less effective medications. Some will caution you today that Primatene availability will result in an epidemic of self-diagnosis and discourage people from consulting doctors. Wyeth presented excellent data in 2006 showing this not to be the case, and ANMA independently confirmed these results in 2007. In a survey of hundreds of adult over-the-counter inhaler users and parents of children using over-the-counter inhalers, ANMA found that greater than 95% were taking advantage of prescription medications, and more than half used albuterol. 9 in 10 had been diagnosed with asthma by a professional, and 2/3 had also seen a doctor specifically about asthma in the previous year. Ignoring this data is dishonest, and any agenda that aims to prevent people from accessing affordable, safe asthma medications threatens lives. Primatene was not removed from the market for safety concerns, but only to comply with restrictions on CFCs. The FDA recognizes that Primatene was used safely by many millions of people during its decades on the market. Primatene is also associated with far fewer deaths than many common asthma medications. Primatene is even safer than watching one's team lose the Super Bowl. For many people, Primatene simply worked best. For others, it filled in when other medications failed or couldn't be afforded, and still others took comfort in being able to always have extra inhalers on hand, something one can't do otherwise given limitations on prescriptions. Walk a mile in our lungs and you'll understand why we want Primatene back. In an ideal America, we'd have a thorough understanding of asthma, and doctors would always seek the best treatment plan for each person without ruling out any options. Everyone would always have access to affordable doctors and medicine, every pharmacy would be open all night, fire stations would always be fully manned, and hospitals always nearby. I don't live in that America, and neither do you. In this America, the Congressional Budget Office estimates that in 2023, 31 million Americans will still be uninsured. Prescription medicines are frequently expensive, don't always work, and can't always be refilled quickly. Many people live far from hospitals and are served by understaffed, overworked volunteer fire departments who can't reach them quickly. And in this America, people are more likely to die for lack of access to an over-the-counter inhaler than from using one. Primatene does not discriminate in who has the right to keep breathing. Each day, an average of 9 Americans die from asthma, some for lacking a rescue inhaler and others despite their prescriptions. Primatene has a long history of saving and improving the lives of those who use it. It has saved me and countless others. It has enabled us to live better, happier lives. If Armstrong's clinical trials have shown Primatene Mist HFA to be likewise safe and effective, then ethics and compassion demand that you vote for its approval today. You'll make this a better America by doing so. Thank you.